Today I will share the simplest video background removal tool, which can help you quickly and easily remove the video background through artificial intelligence. It is UniFab Background Remover AI. UniFab can use artificial intelligence to instantly remove the background of the video and generate accurate silhouettes of people. Let's enter the software and operate it. Enter the UniFab software. The interface is very simple and fresh. You can see that there are many functions in this navigation bar. We select the Video Background Remover function. Firstly, we will put the video into an AI video background remover. You can rename it here, select the background color you want to output, and adjust the size, format, and codec of the output file. The three buttons here are for trim, crop, and audio operations in the video. Click Trim, and you can see the operation steps on the right side of the interface. Click the small scissors to trim the video. Click Crop. You can crop, rotate, and flip the video. It also includes the Effect panel, where you can adjust some parameters to change the visual effects of the picture. You can add custom watermarks in the Watermark panel. You can also add subtitles to enrich your video. Audio interface. You can perform some sound operations, including volume, stereo, enhance human voice, and remove background noise. Speed interface. You can adjust the speed of your video to achieve the desired effect. Finally, click Start. We can see that UniFab's export speed is very fast, with an average speed of 6 frames per second. Let's see how it works. Let's show the original video first. Okay, then it's time to witness the miracle. You can see that the background is removed very cleanly, and the silhouette of the person is clearly removed. Zoom in and take a look at the details. The edges of the complex hair and the overall outline of the character are very perfect. UniFab's AI background removal technology is very powerful. Okay, let's take a look at the removal effects of other backgrounds. It can be seen that UniFab is very powerful in different contexts. Through the effects, speed, and operation, we are very happy to invite you to use UniFab for background removal. You can download our software for free, and it includes a free trial after downloading. If you think it's good, UniFab Background Remover AI is on sale now. The price for lifetime is $104.99. Come and subscribe. We not only have Background Remover AI, but also have many other powerful AI functions. The price of all-in-one is also on sale. The price of lifetime is $349.99. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.